Okay, so this is the start of part 2 of taking the humpback seat pan for my BSA 250 C15 1959, taking the hump out of the seat pan and trying to salvage this seat pan into a flat seat pan. Hopefully you've seen part 1, but part 2 is that the curve approach is 4mm above this line, and the idea is that I've bent up the hump of the seat, and I'm going to cut a series of vertical slots with my angle grinder and bend these over facing in, and then rest this, bringing this down so it will form a level seat platform with this, and then spot weld using my eBay welder to spot weld underneath the lugs that have been bent over, retaining this seat pan. So hopefully you can see from this that I've used the angle grinder to cut slots into the previously upright hump area of the seat, and I've bent them over. As it's only rough at the moment, but I'll use a hammer and a bit of dowel underneath, a bit of wood underneath, as I did it with a hammer, to level this out and get a regular shape around here, and then lower this down and spot weld from underneath here with the welder. Dry fit, quite a bit of work done before I get the welder out and do any spot welding or any seam welding, but hopefully you'll get the idea now. And with a couple more clips around here and bringing this in line and rebuilding the accurate curve, you'll see that if I flip it over, you may get an idea of what's happened to all of those bits that were bent over. And the idea is that these also take part of the strain of the seat pan. Not that I'll ever actually carry any passengers on this 250 BSA, unless a friend Spikes breaks down, but it's starting to take shape. So there's the spot welding on the seam. Going to wire brush it and give it a quick spray. After all, nobody's going to see under the seat. Under the seat.